Okay, I think I got a new favorite. I'm excited to show it to you guys. I think I'm going to call it Birds of Paradise because it reminds me of the flower. It's on an 18 by 18 gallery depth canvas, so it's one of those fancy canvases. Yeah, here we go.
Okay, we're just going to jump right into this one and go into the pillow. For my pillow, I use Glidden Premium Base 1 mixed with American Floetrol. And then I'm also going to just start reading you the lyrical poem I wrote for this piece as I'm laying down the colors and swiping. And then at the end, you're going to see the reveal I did, which is all part of the silly TikToks I do and the shorts that I do for YouTube. So yeah, here we go. Here I'm starting to lay down my colors. And of course, I'm using tons of iridescence and my neons. Most of them are all from this little Piggy Pigments, like that one right there is Sapphire. I will put in the description all the colors I used for this piece as well. But yeah. All right, here we go. I'm going to read the lyrical poem I wrote for Bird of Paradise. To be one of the bosses, throw ambition to the wind. No more cutting losses and no more coveting wins. Understand your mistakes and learn from the high stakes. Grow from accomplishments and replenish from acknowledgments. Don't be so quick to run and hide. There is only so much time you can bide. You are not potential wasted. What life has to offer you have not yet tasted. Be the full picture, not just the humble side. Embrace your full potential's ride. Why fear being bold when bold is what you behold? Beauty is everywhere and not just a stereotypical mold. Sprout some roots, because there's nothing left to lose. And you will see how effortlessly you will bloom. If only you could see you never had to roll the dice. You have always been the bird of paradise. All right, and now it's swipe time. What I use to swipe with is Amsterdam brand paint. Specifically, the colors titanium white, oxide black, and turquoise green, mixed with Australian Floetrol, 1-to-1 ratio. So here we go. Now I'm just going to play a little bit of background music as you watch me swipe, 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 and swipe more. Okay, and now it's spin and tilt time. And also, I added a lot of modifications, really cool swirls and designs to it as well. So here we go. All right, and now I am done, and here is the reveal. Dun, dun, dun. Isn't it pretty? I can't tell if I want to do it diagonal or
horizontal. It's a pretty one. Hope you like it.